welcome to Siley's Tasty Treats. Do your eggs crack when you try to boil them? Have you ever wondered how you can get it right every time? Then this is the right video for you. I have shared 6 tips and tricks to make sure that you always get a perfectly boiled egg. So everyone has their own preference of eating a boiled egg. So I'm going to show you 5 different types of making a boiled egg starting from 6 minutes to 14 minutes. To make sure that you don't miss any of my recipes every week, please press the subscribe button below, which is absolutely free but gives me motivation, and also hit the notification bell. So let's get started. First, let us understand how to check if your eggs are fresh. Take a bowl of water and gently place your egg in it. If your egg is fresh, it will stay horizontal at the bottom of the bowl. A not so fresh egg will have one side elevated exactly like the one you're seeing here. If your egg is stale or rotten, then it will float right up to the surface of the water. The not so fresh eggs are the ones which generally crack when you put them in the pot of boiling water. Let me explain why this happens. When the egg is fresh, there is very little to no air in the egg, which makes the egg stay at the bottom in the horizontal position. As days go by, more and more air starts filling in the egg. This happens because the shell of the egg is porous. Every egg has 2 sides, the pointed side and the blunt side. It is seen that an air pocket is formed at the blunt end inside the egg within a week's time. When such eggs are placed in the pot of boiling water, the air trapped inside the egg tries to expand due to the change in the temperature and tries to escape. This causes the egg to crack. I have come across many who recommend using these eggs to make omelets and scrambled egg, but I am going to show you how you can make use of these eggs to make a perfect boiled egg and do not crack when you put them in the pot of boiling water. Tip number 1. In order to help the air escape from the egg, take a pin and make a hole on both the sides like this. Tip number 2. Before you start boiling, make sure you have a pot of chilled water ready. You can also add ice to maintain the temperature of the water. This is to stop the further cooking of the egg once you have taken it out from the pot. Now take a pan and add enough water so that the eggs will be submerged while boiling. Tip number 3. Add salt, as egg white solidifies more quickly in hot salty water than it does in fresh water. Tip number 4. Add eggs to the pot of water only when you get a rolling boil. This will give more control over the cooking as the water has reached the boiling point. Now the water has come to a boil. Keep a timer handy as we are going to remove the eggs at 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14 minutes interval. Now let's start adding the eggs. Lower the flame so that the eggs do not hit each other and crack. Add the eggs gently so that they do not hit at the bottom of the pan. Start the timer. As you can see, bubbles of air are escaping from the holes we made in the eggs earlier. Also, there is no egg white that has leaked out from the eggs. Perfect. Turn the flame to high once you have added the eggs. Ensure you keep your eyes on the timer as we are going to take the eggs out exactly after 6 minutes. While the eggs are boiling, let's have a quick trivia question. What came first, the chicken or the egg? The answer is the egg came first, as there were no chicken during the age of dinosaurs. It's now been 6 minutes. Take the first egg out and put it into chilled water for an ice bath. Keep the egg in the chilled water at least for a minute. Let me mark the egg that this is the one that we have cooked for 6 minutes. I will repeat this at 8th, 10th, 12th and 14th minute. Now all your eggs are ready. It's time to peel the eggs. Let us start with the 6 minutes egg first. Tip number 5. Start by tapping the egg on the blunt side. Now start removing the shell and try to get under the membrane. You can see removing the shell is still a bit difficult. Tip number 6. Peel the egg under running water. See how easily the shell comes out. The 6-minute egg will be incredibly soft, so handle with care. You can see the softness from the way it is sitting next to the 8-minute egg. Let's cut open each egg. First, the 6-minute. Wow! Look at the perfectly cooked egg white and the oozing of the yolk. Next, we will cut the 8-minute egg. You can see the egg white is cooked and the yolk is still moist. This is the egg which is used while cooking ramen noodles. Now the 10-minute egg. As seen, the yolk is cooked much more but still has moistness in the center. The 12-minute egg has a fully cooked yolk and is close to being hard-boiled. This can be used in sandwiches. Finally, the 14-minute egg, which is completely hard-boiled. The true taste of egg can be enjoyed by adding a little bit of pepper. Enjoy! If you like my tips, do give it a thumbs up, share it with your loved ones and don't forget to subscribe. It will not cost you anything but will definitely motivate me. Bye bye.